So hi everyone, in this question that in which of the following is a concave mirror used? So concave mirror is mainly used in solar cooker. Solar cooker. Rear view mirror, here we are using convex mirror. Okay, to see the backward things. Okay, so right answer is solar cooker. Now why we are using concave mirror? Reason is that because this is our concave mirror. So if sun is at infinite distance, distant object, so light rays are coming like this, parallel. And after when it is coming parallel, after that it is going like this. It will focus, image will be formed at focus. So at focus, very diminished image will be formed. Real inverted, highly diminished nature of image. So here, for example, like in a solar cooker is just like this, like this. This is our mirror, and just forming just here any cooking like things which you want to cook, like any food stuff which is at a focus. It is placed at the focus. I'm not showing focus all those things. I just want to tell when sunlight rays are sunlight is coming, like then all the rays is coming like this. It is going to hit this dish which you want to cook. So okay, it is at focus. So at focus, all the rays from sunlight, from the sun rays are coming to focus at, and where image is going to form. So here more heat, intense heat will be formed. More heat will be there at focus. More heat. Okay. Like in the like you have heard that in childhood, like what we are doing, we are using some mirror used to burn the paper. So what we are doing actually, we are going to focus all the sun rays. We are going to concentrate all the sun rays at a single point. So there intense heat is going to produce. Okay. So right option is option A. Thank you.